Here at UpFix, we're excited to tell you about our repair revolution. We want to invite you to our contest that celebrates the idea of fixing things instead of replacing them. We're looking for skilled individuals like you who appreciate hands-on work and great tools. And to welcome you into the repair revolution, we're going to give you a chance to win some of the most fantastic brand new Milwaukee tools. UpFix has given away more than 24 top quality tools worth over $950 at street price and nearly $1,300 at retail. As a bonus, we're also including a $100 Amazon gift card. We really admire Milwaukee Tools, especially their M12 and M18 cordless power tools, so we've put together a collection of tools that anyone would be proud to have. The prize includes Milwaukee's impressive power ratchet, hex impact driver, drill driver, hacksaw, and an LED work light. These tools are part of Milwaukee's cordless combo kit, which comes with a battery charger, 2 M12 batteries, and a heavy-duty bag, making the combo kit's total value almost $600. We love going the extra mile at UpFix. The contest winner will also receive a super powerful M18 cordless die grinder and a 15-piece ratcheting wrench set, both of professional grade quality. To top it off, we're throwing in another battery charger, this time an M12 M18 combination unit that includes an M18 battery. That's 3 batteries for the lucky contest winner. It all adds up to 27 pieces in total. And guess what? The winner could be you. There's no purchase required to enter, and the winner will be chosen randomly. Just click on the link below and fill out the form so we can contact you, and answer a couple of questions about the work you do with tools. Rest assured, UpFix never sells contact information, customer or otherwise. That's all there is to it. We invite you to sign up for the contest and join the repair revolution. Click the link below, and remember, don't replace it, UpFix it.